Imagine the frustration of waking up to a dirty pool when your robot was supposed to be cleaning all night. Right away, you know something's wrong with it, and probably you have no idea what to do. If this is you, this troubleshooting guide might save you a lot of money. Start with the easy stuff first, and that is the power supply, so you don't waste time stressing over simple fixes. I know it sounds basic, but these outdoor outlets trip all the time. If you have a corded cleaner, go to the outlet and make sure it's securely connected to a functioning outlet. Press the test and then reset buttons to be sure it's getting power. And while you're at it, inspect the cable for any tangles or damage. Get those knots out, and if you see any visible cuts, it's probably time for a replacement. If everything checks out, pull the robot out of the water. If it has power but it's not really doing anything, the filter is probably full or maybe just dirty. You see, when the filter is clogged, water can't flow through the unit, and if your model doesn't have a bypass, a dirty filter can prevent the robot from climbing up the sides completely. To fix this, open the unit to access the filter. You'll likely find it's packed with leaves and twigs. Empty those larger debris. Then remove the filter and use a garden hose to rinse it thoroughly until all the dirt is gone. And here's a tip. While you're doing this, do not be tempted to grab the pressure washer to really get the deep down grip. I did, and boy, what a mistake that was. I regretted it immediately. It damaged the mesh, and then I had to go and buy a new one. So listen, just stick to a steady stream from the hose. If your filter is still looking dirty after the rinse, just try a little white vinegar. Once it's clean, reinstall it, and you'll notice right away it will perform much better, almost like it did when it was brand new. Usually, just keeping the filter clean according to the manufacturer's recommendations solves most of these problems. I also found it's best to regularly check for wear and tear and replace that filter if there's damage. Even if they look okay, it's best to swap them out for fresh ones every 2 years. And lastly, if none of that worked, then you can always call in a professional.